All right, the latest news break coming in. Violent clashes between BJP workers and West Bengal police in state Siliguri. The clashes erupted after BJP workers allegedly protested against the law and order situation in the state. Police used tear gas against the BJP workers. Things clearly reaching their head. These were the visuals that were recorded a short while ago.
आज भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चे पश्चिम बंगाल की शाखा ने उत्तर बंगाल में भाई तेजस्वी और सुमित्र खान के नेतृत्व में शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन किया, प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से प्रदर्शन किया। किंतु ममता जी की सरकार ने जिस प्रकार अराजकता और गुंडागिर्दी देखी गई, निश्चित रूप से प्रजातंत्र की हत्या है। एक शांतिपूर्ण जुलूस जिसमें महिला कार्यकर्ता भी हो, उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज करना, उनके ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले फेंकना, उनके ऊपर टीएमसी के गुंडों ने बम फेंके और इस प्रकार अराजकता फैलाई। पुलिस का पथराव करते हुए, बम फेंकते हुए फोटो हमारे पास है, वीडियो हमारे पास है।
चुप बैठने का समय नहीं है। संविधान को, लोकतंत्र को बचाने का काम पश्चिम बंगाल में हम करना है। आप संविधान के प्रति आपकी सच्ची प्रतिबद्धता है तो आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इस लोकतंत्र बचाने के लिए जो हमारी संघर्ष है, इसके साथ आप भी जुड़ जाइए।
Connecting to my colleague Manugya Loiwal, who's joining us for the very latest right now. Manugya, can you give us a sense of what is the situation right now in Siliguri?
Well, on one hand, a massive protests across the entire region of Siliguri and surrounding areas. There has also been massive barricading by the state authorities. Remember, from Siliguri and surrounding areas, there were huge rallies that were conducted by BJP supporters under the leadership of Bengal State in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya, even Dilip Ghosh and several others who were there on spot, on location with the massive gathering of supporters. This was to protest against the state government, the rally, the entire policies, as well as the incompetence of the present TMC government that the BJP has been alleging. But what happened was violent turn and turbulence in the entire region. With one hand, the protesters queuing up in massive numbers, and then of course stone pelting and several other violent visuals that you would see on your screens will give you an idea on what exactly has been happening. The fact that these protests were planned with even Tejasvi Surya participating in it, who's also a member of parliament as well as has been heading the youth brigade. But as far as these protests are concerned, BJP also wanted to communicate to the ground level that this is what would happen against the TMC government. Interestingly, there's one more development with Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee in the district of West Midnapur, where she held her first rally in this region. And of course, without Subhendu Adhikari on the same political platform is itself a big message. Not only a political message, but also a message in the days to come on how TMC plans to go ahead, be it the state machinery with an iron fist or even in the party with an iron hand towards those who have parted ways.
Appreciate you joining us, Manugya. We're going to continue to come back to you for more updates on that story. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.